Here I have HUAWEI Mate 30 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be simply the settings, and let's assume that I would like to save this list. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys for about 2 seconds. Let me show you. Keep holding both keys. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously. And you just capture the screen. You can also use the second way of taking screenshots. All you need to do is use notification panel twice, and here let's choose screenshot. Let me show you again. Swipe down 2 times and choose screenshot. That's it. Now let me show you the third way of taking screenshots. So all you need to do is just knock twice. Knock twice and just capture the screen. You can tap on the screenshot to check out the following screenshot, or you can also find the screenshots in the gallery. So all you need to do is choose the gallery. You can choose albums, choose either all photos or screenshots, and here you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.